Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 79 Trans Am. Obviously somebody got it ready, prepped for paint. I believe that blue is the factory color according to the trim tag. Pretty straight car, come from out in western South Dakota. According to the previous owner, the motor's been built. 403 olds in it, 410 gears, and you can tell it driving. Now this door is maroon, so they must put a different door on it because it is a blue car. Maybe it's painted maroon once over the blue, who knows. Interior is pretty good. Dash is cracked, you can see that. I'll show you from the other side. Missing the moldings here. Like I said, they got it started, missing the side moldings also. Who knows where that ended up. So would need to replace that then. I have the door locks. There's the cracked dash. Door panels look pretty good. Like I said, seats look good and the carpet looks good. Maybe needs door pins over on the driver's door. So got the rally wheels. If you're looking for a project, maybe you're a body man, you don't want to mess with the mechanical, this one would be perfect for you. 605-695-7391.